The Xiaomi 16, Xiaomi 16 Pro and Xiaomi 16 Pro Max are officially debut next month. According to Digital Chat Station, both the Xiaomi 16 and Xiaomi 16 Pro will represent one of the biggest generational leaps in Xiaomi's history when it comes to camera hardware. Xiaomi is finally moving away from the 32MP and f/2.0 front-facing camera it has used since the Xiaomi 13 generation, replaced by a new 50MP sensor with a wider field of view and autofocus while maintaining support for 4K/60fps video capture. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 16 Pro is expected to benefit from an ultra-high dynamic range 1/1.3-inch primary camera sensor. The Xiaomi 16 Pro, powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, is likely to be among the first smartphones to feature this chipset. The Xiaomi 16 Pro will allegedly be sharing a new 6.85-inch LTPO OLED display with 2K+ resolution. This will have symmetrical bezels on all four sides, and these bezels will be thinner than any iPhone's bezels. The display will be flat, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, and a 6,300 mAh battery with support for wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.